What if I told you that you could get lifetime access to over 200 plus royalty-free music tracks for just $75? No monthly fees, no hidden costs, and no copyright strikes. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. And today I'm going to show you exactly how Musicsesame can transform your content creation game. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a content creator, YouTuber, or filmmaker, this video is for you. Stick around because I'm about to show you why Musicsesame is the ultimate stock music library you've been waiting for. Musicsesame is a royalty-free stock music library that gives you lifetime access to over 200 plus tracks and counting. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, ads, films, documentaries, or podcasts, Musicsesame has the perfect soundtrack for your project. The best part? All tracks are 100% exclusive to Musicsesame, meaning you won't find them anywhere else. Plus, they're completely royalty-free, so no one's going to come after you for licensing fees or copyright claims. For a one-time payment of just $75, originally $159, you get lifetime access to the entire library. That means you can download any track, anytime, and use it in unlimited projects forever. Unlike other stock music platforms, Musicsesame's tracks are 100% exclusive. You won't hear the same overused tracks that everyone else is using. All tracks come with YouTube Content ID clearance and a worldwide license, so you can use them in premium media placements like films, ads, and global campaigns without worrying about copyright strikes. Once you find a track you like, simply click download and it's yours to use instantly. No complicated licensing agreements, no extra fees, just pure high-quality music. Let's say you're editing a YouTube video. You can easily drag and drop a Musicsesame track into your editing software, and voila, your video now has a professional soundtrack. If you're a YouTuber or podcaster, Musicsesame is a must-have. It saves you time and money while ensuring your content stands out with unique, high-quality music. For filmmakers and advertisers, Musicsesame offers tracks that are perfect for global campaigns, documentaries, and commercials, all without the hassle of licensing fees. Even if you're just creating videos for fun, Musicsesame makes it easy to add professional-grade music to your projects. Right now, Musicsesame is offering a lifetime deal for just $75. That's 53% off the regular price. For less than the cost of a single music license elsewhere, you get access to the entire library forever. If you're ready to take your content to the next level, click the link in the description to grab this deal before it's gone. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. To recap, Musicsesame gives you lifetime access to over 200 plus exclusive royalty-free tracks for just $75. It's perfect for YouTubers, filmmakers, advertisers, and anyone who creates content. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more reviews like this. And if you've tried Musicsesame, let me know your thoughts in the comments below.